Rahim. How are you feeling now after this pull?
I'm done now.
Good.
Better.
Felt relaxed? Felt open?
Yes.
Sit. Karo. Or अब आया? हाँ फिर सब बोल रहा 4 5 6 7
I came here for sciatica pain and the pain related to slip disc. This is the first session with Dr. Malik, and I was excited and a bit nervous, but now I'm feeling relieved. It's a good experience. I recommend the viewers to come visit for any spondylitis and sciatica pain, any pain related to Dr. Malik, and inshallah, by the grace of Allah, it would be healed as soon as possible.
Overall, how is your experience?
Now I'm feeling relaxed, and I would
From
say
the
50%. Now I would say from 100 to 50, now my pain is only 50% now.
50%. From where did you travel?
I'm coming from Qatar, and
Qatar for this treatment.
Yes.
That's great. You'll definitely tell your friends and
Yes, definitely. I'm going to inform my friends and whoever is looking for the lower back pain and any thing related to pain. I would definitely recommend and suggest to visit Holistic Edge and meet Dr. Malik.
It is fake. People say it is fake.
No, it's real. I used to always watch the chiropractor videos, but I myself have visited, and today is 13th of April 2023, and I always used to follow the chiropractors, but this is my first visit, and I would definitely suggest, and I myself can feel that it's
It's a
relaxing. It's relaxing and it's pain relieving session, and I'm looking forward for
other sessions.
other sessions as well. Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks.